In this video, I'll show you a website that will pay you between $400 and $500 to listen to audios and type out what you just heard. If you are hearing about this type of work for the first time, these are called transcription jobs. You'll be given an audio. It could be an audio of a lecture or a code session, and you have to listen and type exactly what you've just heard. The audio could have one or multiple speakers. Like in the case of a lecture, you'll only have maybe the lecturer speaking, but in the case of a court session, you'll have the judge, the lawyer, and maybe even the accused person speaking. The same happens when you have a TV interview. You'll have the TV interviewer, and also you have the person being interviewed. So your goal is to ensure the transcript is as neat as possible. Make sure you match the exact word that was said by the exact person. Like in the case of a court session, make sure that the words that were said by the judge, you have indicated it's the judge who spoke those words. The words that were spoken by the lawyer, you have matched them to the lawyer. What you need is a strong command of written English, meticulous eye for grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and ability to follow a specific style guide. Each company will have their own style guide. You need to follow that company style guide. The beauty about this role is you'll not be transcribing from scratch. The company allows you to use AI to make your first draft. Then from there, you're going to edit that draft to make sure that everything that was said is captured and it's written and it's accurate. In fact, when applying for this role, do not apply as a transcriber. Apply as a transcription editor. The company is hiring worldwide, so there's no need to use a proxy or to change your location. They pay once a month on the 15th through Wise. So if you don't have a Wise account, you'll have to open one, but it's so easy. It only takes less than 20 minutes to get a Wise account. So if you don't have one, please open one. But the important thing is first to apply for the role, then you're going to connect your payment method. They also have opportunities for career advancement. After 6 months, editors that demonstrate exceptional skills may progress to become senior editors in the company. The role is open to both entry-level and experienced transcribers. So whether you've ever done transcription or you have never done transcription, you can apply for this role and get the job. You can also work full-time or part-time, whether you are a student, a stay-home mom, or you have a 9 to 5 and you still want to work maybe at night, this job is excellent for you. For those working part-time, make sure that you can be able to work for at least 40 hours a week so that they can see that you're working, because if you don't work, they are going to close your account. Your key responsibilities will be to edit AI-generated transcriptions to ensure high accuracy. I have said you don't have to create this transcript from scratch. You can use AI to generate the transcript. Then you are going to edit them to ensure they are accurate. Number 2, you're going to research and verify technical terms, proper nouns, and other specific phrases. 3, you need to follow provided style guide rigorously to ensure that the final transcript matches the company style guide. You're going to proofread and finalize transcript with 99% accuracy. Now, you're going to participate in regular team communication and feedback session. And finally, you're going to track and report your work as required by the team. So what do you need to apply for this role? Number 1, you need a laptop. 2, you need high-speed internet connection, at least 50 Mbps download and 10 Mbps upload minimum. You need to have headphones because you'll be doing a lot of listening, so you cannot be able to listen directly from your laptop. You may not hear some words. You are going to need headphones. I would advise you, in fact, to get noise-cancelling headphones. Number 3, you're going to need a quiet space where you can work without disturbance, because with transcriptions, you cannot work in a loud space because you are listening and you need to hear what is being said. So you need a quiet place that you can work. So if you don't have a quiet place, you will not be able to do accurate transcript, and you will not get paid if your transcripts are not accurate. For professional qualifications, you don't need any degree. You just need to have English language proficiency with focus on financial terminology, because most of the transcript you'll be dealing with here are from financial institutions and legal aspect. So you need to have a good English proficiency with financial terminologies and legal terminology. You don't have to be a paralegal or a lawyer. What I'm saying is you need to understand some of the terms that lawyers say, and maybe accountants, people in the finance niche say. 2, you need strong understanding of financial market and industry terminology. Number 3, you need technical aptitude and ability to work with AI powered platforms. I have said you'll not be creating this transcript from scratch. They'll give you they have given you permission to use AI. In fact, you will not be paying for your own AI. They have their own AI that you'll be using to transcribe the initial draft. Then you can work on that draft to make sure that it's accurate. You need meticulous attention to detail, particularly with numerical data, because when you're dealing with financial documents, there's a lot of data, a lot of numbers, so you need to be very nice with numbers. And number 5, you need to the ability to maintain strict confidentiality with sensitive financial information and strong time management skill and committed to deadlines. Like I have said, you can work anytime you want, but at the end of the day, there will be deadlines. Anyone who have worked with any transcription company knows that they always have deadlines. They cannot give you a or an audio and you are going to return it wherever you want. No, they're going to give you an audio and it have a deadline, a certain time that you must have completed it and returned it, so that if you don't return the audio at that time, they can give it to someone else to do. So make sure that you are very good with deadlines while applying for this role. So the company is called Remote Teams. I want you to take note of how the word remote is written. It's not like remote work, it's Remote Teams. So the website dashboard looks like this. So to apply for this role, you can either go to Google and type Remote Team / Transcription Editor job, or you can click the link on my description. I have added a link in the description that you can click and go to this website directly. But I need you to look at this dashboard, because sometimes you may find other websites that are copycats and they ask you to pay for money to apply for the job. So this is the name that you should be looking for, but I'm going to put a link in the description. Make sure you click that link and goes to this website. So when you come here, here they are giving you all the details about the job, the requirements and everything, and responsibilities. But now here is where you're going to apply. So here you're going to upload a resume. I said in this role they're not looking for experts. However, they want to see like maybe you have experience in something. They're also accepting students. So if you're a student, I urge you not to write you are a student. I also want you to include in your resume that you've done transcription before, so that, because at the end of the day, many people will apply for this role, and it's obvious they're going to pick people who seems to have some experience. So if you don't have any experience, I want you to go to ChatGPT and ask it to help you create a resume for a transcriber or a transcriber with experience. You will not go through any interview process as such, so it is okay to say in a resume that you have experience. Then after creating your resume, it can either be a PDF, a doc, or a docs, as long as it's max of 5 MBs. Here you're going to write your name, your email, your phone number, your country. I said that they're hiring worldwide. Here you're going to indicate what type of transcription have you done in the past. For instance, here they're looking for people who have done general. So here they have options. You can indicate you've done general finance, legal, or medical transcription. For me, I will obviously click general here, and I will also click finance. If you noticed, they're looking for financial and legal transcribers or transcription editors. So writing general again will not give you a good chance of getting this job. So just click you've done finance. You can even click you've done legal. And also when you are clicking there, I need you to indicate in your resume that you have experience in either finance or legal transcription. I have said if you don't have any experience in transcription, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to help you create a resume for a transcriber who have experience in maybe finance transcribing or legal. Here you're going to indicate the set hours that you want to work for in a week. Please, even if you're working, you want to work maybe for 20 hours, click you're going to work 30 to 40 hours, because at the end of the day, many people are applying for this role, And if you show that maybe you are only working for a few hours, they are going to pick people who can be able to work for more hours. So always click the highest amount of hours that you can be able to do. So in this case, you'll just click 30 to 40 hours. Then you're going to agree to the terms, and then you are going to submit your document. According to their LinkedIn, once you send your application and you are accepted, they're going to notify you via email, and after that you're going to do a screening test. The first test will be a basic transcription test where they're going to evaluate your transcription skills with a focus on listening. So you're going to be given a transcription test or audio, and you'll have to listen and type out the audio for them to gauge if you can be able to do transcription. After you pass that, you're going to do a style guide test. This is a series of multi-choice and sentence construction tests to gauge if you can be able to follow rules in your style guide. If you pass that part, you're going to have 2-day paid trial, a trial period for junior editors where candidates are compensated during training. So if you pass the first 2 tests, they are going to put you on a trial where you are going to be given a transcription test, and you are going to be given several transcription audios, and you have to transcribe. And this is a paid training, but not everybody who will participate in this part of the interview process will get hired. So if you get hired, if you pass that 2-day paid training, then you get hired now to become a junior editor. And as I said before, they have opportunities for career advancement where if you work with this company for at least 6 months, they're going to promote you to higher levels of editing where you become a senior editor. So this company is hiring right now. So go as fast as possible, apply and get paid. As you have seen, I have even shown you they have advertised this job on LinkedIn. So they are hiring right now. Go and apply. And on this LinkedIn profile that I'm showing here on the screen, you can see this page is in the Kenyan LinkedIn. So like this job is directed to Kenyans. So if you are a Kenyan, you can go and apply. The job is hiring worldwide. So anybody from anywhere in the world can apply for this job. Go and apply right now. If you don't know how to do transcription test, I have a video on this channel. I think 3 videos back, you should check that video. I did a transcription tutorial telling you the basics of transcription. Go watch that video, then go and do this test here. Otherwise, this is the end of the video, guys. I wish you luck. See you in the next video as I bring you more ways to make money online.